Hello and welcome everyone. Today we'll start with Introduction to MS Excel chapter number 6. Let's start. Microsoft Excel is an electronic spreadsheet that is used to organize your data into rows and columns. You can also use it to perform mathematical calculations quickly. This lesson will introduce you to the Excel window. You use the window to interact with Excel. To begin this lesson, start MS Excel 2007. The Microsoft Excel window appears and your screen looks similar to the one shown in the next page. So first we need to just know that how can we start MS Excel. Step 1, click on start button. So this is our start button. We need to click here. Then step 2, choose all program. Step 3, click Microsoft Office and then click Microsoft Office Excel 2007. So here you can see after click on start button, we need to press on click on the all programs. After that, Microsoft Office option you can see, and then Microsoft Office Excel 2007. So whenever we are just clicking on that, we can see a blank MS Excel worksheet will appear. So this is the first view of the Excel. So it looks like that only. So let's see what are the buttons or tools are available. So this is Office button as usual. It's just like MS Word. Now quick access toolbar as usual, just like MS Word. And title bar, yeah, here you can see there you can see that the default name is document 1, and here this is Excel, that's why the default name is book 1, default name book 1. Okay, so title bar, then it is same like minimize, maximize and close button is available here. So let's introduce with the other. This is our columns, this all are our rows, 1 2 3 4, this all our rows. Then cell address box, so this is our cell address box. What do you mean by cell? Suppose I am selecting this box, so this is a column number A and row number 1, so A1. If we are selecting that one, okay, so this one if we are selecting, so this is B, then this is 2, so cell address will be B2. Okay, so if you are selecting suppose we are selecting this one, so this is C, and here you can see just watch that this is row number 3, so C3. So like that cell address we are writing, because so many cells are there. If we are just saying the G10, so you have to need to come on G, and from here you need to come on the 10, so this is G10. Like that you can just addressing any kind of cell. Then this is formula bar, whatever formula or whatever we'll write inside the cell, it will display here. Then active cell means whichever cell we are selecting, this is known as active cell. Now we are selecting this cell, this is known as active cell. Now this is, you can see that worksheet, so this is sheet number 1 2 3. If you want more sheet, you can just take like that. So it is just like a sheet 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that you can take sheet. And this with this all sheet, that this is known as workbook. Whenever we are opening that one, this is known as workbook, and this is a sheet 1 sheet 2 sheet, it's just like a book and pages. So workbook and sheet, so this part is full part is known as workbook. Here you can see, and just this is ribbon, same like MS Word. And status bar, where you can see that it's ready to use or not, like that it's showing the current status. So let's start with the Microsoft Office button. In the upper left corner of the Excel 2007 window is the Microsoft Office button. When you click the button, a menu appears. You can use the menu to create a new file open an existing file, save a file, and perform many other tasks. The quick access toolbar. Next to the Microsoft Office button is the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar gives you an access to commands that are frequently used by default. Save, undo, and redo appears on the quick access toolbar. The title bar. Next to the quick access toolbar is the title bar. On the title bar, Microsoft Excel displays the name of the workbook you are currently using. At the top of the Excel window, you should have Microsoft Excel Book 1 or similar name. The ribbon. In Microsoft Excel 2007, you use the ribbon to issue commands. The ribbon is located near the top of the Excel window. Below the quick access toolbar, at the top of the ribbon are several tabs. Clicking a tab displays several related commands group. Workbook. When you start Excel, you open a file that is called workbook. Each new workbook comes with 3 worksheets by default, like pages in a document. You entry data into the worksheets. Worksheets are sometimes called spreadsheets. So worksheets are also known as spreadsheet. Each worksheet has a name on its sheet tab at the bottom left of the workbook window. Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet and Sheet 3. You click each sheet tab to view a worksheet. So, worksheets. Worksheets are divided into columns, rows and cells. That's the grid you see when you open a workbook. Columns go from top to bottom on the worksheet vertically. Rows go from left to right. On the worksheet horizontally. A cell is the space where one column and one row meet. So, what is cell? Cell is the space where one column and one row meet to each other. Each column has an alphabetical heading at the top. The first 26 columns have the letter from A through Z. Each worksheet contains 16,384 columns in all. So after Z, letters begin again in pairs, AA through AZ. So numbering system became quite changed. Each row also has a heading. Row heading are numbers from 1 through 10,48,576. The formula bar. If the formula bar is turned on, the cell address displays in the name box, which is located on the left side of the formula bar. Cell entries displayed on the right side of the formula bar. If you do not see the formula bar in your window, perform the following step. Step 1. Choose the View tab. Step 2. Click Formula bar in the Show or Hide group. The formula bar appears. Now the status bar. The status bar appears at the bottom of the Excel window and provides such information as the sum, average, minimum and maximum value of the selected numbers. Opening a new workbook. To open a new workbook, follow the given step. Step 1. Click on the Office button. Step 2. Then click New. New workbook window will appear. So here you can see this is our new workbook window. Click Blank Workbook. So blank workbook, and then you have to click on the Create option. So after clicking on the Create option, a new workbook with 3 worksheets appears. What are the name of the 3 worksheets? Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and Sheet 3. Very good. When you open a new workbook, the first cell is the active cell. So here you can see This is active cell. It has a black outline as shown in the picture. Heading for the column and the row in which the cell is located are highlighted. So here you can see the row number is highlighting and as well as the column number is also highlighting. Okay, so because the cell is selected and this is A1 cell is selected. So number you can see, the column number is highlighted, the row number is highlighted, and the cell is also highlighted with the black border. So today up to that much. Next day we will continue from the components of worksheet. Thank you.